and make some tostadas with me. Let's go eat. All right, let's start with the salmon. Cheers. Yellowtail, cheers. Now for the bluefin tuna. Okay, we have some salmon, tuna, and yellowtail tuna. And this is all sushi grade from Mitsuwa Japanese market. We have our yellowtail. Salmon. Yellowtail, I'm gonna put some garlic, soy sauce, truffle ponzu. Tuna, a little bit of soy as well. Do some sriracha, sesame seeds, and sesame oil. Some yuzu juice. Do the truffle ponzu here. Sriracha with this one. Gonna slice them like this, so they're not so thick. Avocado. You tell me. I have to be very careful because I have sliced my finger on this before. It was not pretty. Okay, time to assemble creaminess with my new mix. Then I'm gonna add some avocado, pineapple. Sorry, I don't know why I have an accent. Pineapple, salmon on top of this one. This one with a little bit of red onion, cilantro to make it look cute. Yellowtail, tro. On here, have some jalapeno. I decided last minute to add some avocado and onion in every bite. Tuna, so it's a little bit more on the fatty side, but that's how I like it. Some avocado also. Jalapenos on there as well. And some crispy onions to top it off.